Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the automatic image posting feature in the Instagram bot. This is my Instagram management bot. To log into your accounts, you just need to add the accounts and they will be managed in this tab. For example, if I want to open these accounts, I simply select them and then click Login Instagram. The software will automatically open them for me. After you finish logging in, the next step is to create the post content and images. I will go to the Content Management tab. Here, I will create a category to store the posts and images. This category is currently empty, so I will click Add Active. Then select the category I just created. Choose the working platform. Set the post type to image and activate it. The title is simply the name of the content displayed inside the software, so you can easily recognize it. Next, enter the caption for the images. Then select the images. You can choose multiple images at once. After that, enter the number of images you want to post here. For example, if I only want to post 5 images out of these 13, I will enter 5. The bot will randomly select 5 images from the 13 images. Now the content has been created. Next, I will create one more content item. Enter the content and select the images. After the content is ready, I will go to the Post function tab. Then select Post Instagram. Next, choose the account categories that will be used for posting. After that, set the number of threads. Threads mean the number of accounts that will post at the same time. Here, I will set it to 12 threads. After the bot finishes posting on the first 12 accounts, it will automatically move to the next accounts. On the right side, you can set the delay time. You can configure it similar to what I set here. Next, choose the content. Select the category that contains the content you created earlier. Since I have 12 accounts but only 2 content items, I will allow these accounts to post the same content. Then set the number of posts per account. Here, each account will post one post only. Adjust the image size if needed. And finally, enable interaction with the post after publishing. Now I will click Start to run the bot. For accounts that have never used this posting feature before, they will need to log in once before the process starts. Here you can see the action status column. For the next runs, you will not need to log in again. The bot will automatically enter the username and password to log in. If your account requires a security code, the bot will automatically enter the 2FA OTP code if it is available. Once the login is successful, the bot will start working. You can watch the results at the end of the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment under the video or contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next videos.